Okay, in the shop today is this 2008 Lincoln MKZ. It needs a starter. From what I've been researching, it looks pretty straightforward, so I'm going to take you guys along for the ride. All right, first things first, the battery's got to come out, the battery tray, and this intake tube. So the terminals are 8mm bolts or nuts. To get the battery out, there's a 8mm hold down bolt right down here, and 8mm to take this snorkel off. Remember, when removing battery cables, negative, positive, and reinstalling is positive, negative, you just reverse the action. The battery tray has 3 10mm bolts holding it down. 2 of which look very rusty. Okay, so there's the starter. It doesn't look too bad to get to. You have your 10mm bolt right here for your ignition wire. And then right underneath it, your battery positive wire is a 13mm bolt, it looks like, or nut, I should say. And then you have bolts holding the starter in. One is right here, and the other one is right down here on the back side. Kind of hard to see, but it's there, trust me. Okay, I got both wires off. Now just the starter wire, the starter bolts, and that's all she wrote, hopefully. Okay, as you can see, I have the starter out right here. All I did was use this extension and a swivel, 3/8 drive, 13mm, to get the 2 bolts out, and it was a piece of cake. All you gotta do is reverse your steps, put it back together. Probably one of the easiest starters I've ever done.